his morning rubs before I have to get ready for work. And he pooped on me. Good morning. Giving Kona some head rubs before I have to go to work. I love when he makes those little noises. Yeah, buddy. Kona, I got one of your favorite treats. One of your favorite treats. Yummy. Good morning. It's almost time for me to get ready for work. Oh, Kona doesn't want his head rubs. He wanted them a second ago. But yeah, I'm drinking my coffee and Kona is chilling. I'll stay back, Kona. Good morning. That's it. Bath time. Let's go. You loving it? You need a little towel? You need a little toweling? Yeah. 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 We are chilling. I think we just made some cool videos, and now he's chilling on my sock. I think he wants to go downstairs and eat food. I am hungry. What'd my sock do to you, Kona? Hey. Today is a special day because today is Kona's 1 year anniversary on TikTok. here he is, denying his morning sip. Fair enough. I'm really grateful to everybody that has watched Kona's videos and likes watching Kona's videos. I'm not sure what we're doing here, but yeah, he's gonna attack my eyeball any second. I can feel it. I have a booger in my nose. I'm afraid that the success has started getting to Kona's head because I sense that he's beginning to plot for world domination. Look at him scheming. One eyeball at a time. But look at how cute he is. I'll always be your toilet, Kona. But seriously, thank you guys so much for watching. I've met so many cool people through this. Kona said, "Don't touch me, I'm a star." And yeah, to another year on the interwebs. Come on, Coco. Enjoy. No. Hey, don't eat that.